Hi, Ryan here with ProSpot. Today we're excited to announce our all-new Big MIG giveaway, where during the month of November, you can enter for your chance to win one of these 3 great MIG welders that you see sitting in front of me. Just like many of you, we're bummed that SEMA is not taking place this year so that we can be out there connecting with the industry that we love. So in place of SEMA, we have a couple things going on along with a few promotions, and one of the biggest things is our Big MIG giveaway, where you can enter for your chance to win one of these 3 great MIG welders along with a welding helmet. We're going to be giving away a 205 MV, which is ProSpot's most popular synergic steel MIG welder. We're going to be giving away a 220 MV, which is the newest steel synergic MIG welder to ProSpot's line. This is a step up from the 205 MV that meets more OEM requirements and insurance needs in some areas. We also are going to be giving away one of our most popular single torch pulsed MIG welders, which is the SP1. This MIG welder gets your shop silicone bronze and aluminum ready, so you're ready for today's industry and tomorrow's. For your chance to enter to win, visit our website, www.prospot.com. Click on the banner on the homepage for your chance to enter to win. Go through the prompts, and it's as easy as that, and you can win one of these 3 great MIG welding packages. Good luck, everybody.